Stop filming your videos the hard way. If you're a business owner sitting down every week trying to film content, you are just wasting your time. You need an AI twin, and I'm going to show you exactly how to build one under an hour, start to finish. Here's the truth about YouTube for business owners. You don't have time to film every week. That's not a productivity problem, that's reality. But when you don't show up consistently, YouTube stops pushing your content. Your channel does nothing for your business. An AI twin solves this. You show up once and it handles the rest. Let me break down the exact setup. Now, this is the important part. So let me show you how not to mess this up. Most people start by filming. That's backwards. You plan the content first. Here's how. Open vidIQ, go to keyword research, type in your main topic, whatever problem your business solves. You're looking for two things, high search volume and low competition. Write down 3 to 5 keywords. Those go in your title. This tells YouTube who to send your videos to. Skip this step and your content goes nowhere. Do it right, and YouTube does the marketing for you. Now write a short script, 5 to 8 minutes max. You're answering one question. One. That's the whole video. Keep it simple, keep it focused. Now here's where you actually create your AI twin. You need one short video of yourself talking to the camera natural. Here's the exact format. 2 to 5 minutes, good lighting, facing a window. That's enough. Clear audio, your phone works fine. No script, no teleprompter, just talk normal. Talk like you're talking to a friend. HeyGen uses this video to clone your face, your voice, your movements. The better this recording, the more realistic your AI twin. Take 10 minutes and do this right. You only do this once. One mistake most people make, they read the consent script like a robot. Don't do that. HeyGen picks up your natural speech patterns. If you read stiff, your AI twin reads stiff. Talk normal. Go to HeyGen, create your account. There's a free trial. Start there. Click on Instant Avatar. Upload your training video. HeyGen processes your video in about 15 to 20 minutes. When it's done, you have a digital version of you, ready to record. Now go to AI Studio, paste your script from step 1. Select your avatar, that's you, hit generate. In minutes, your AI twin records the full video. Your voice, your face, your words, you didn't film a single second of it. When your video is done, export it, upload it to YouTube Studio, add your thumbnail, your title, the one with keywords from step 1. Descriptions, tags, schedule it, done. That's one video planned and published without filming. Now, batch it. Script 4 more videos the same way. Generate all 4 in HeyGen. Schedule them for the month. You just handled your entire month of YouTube content in one afternoon. That's the system. That's how you stay consistent without burning out. Now, I know the questions you have. What exactly do I say in my training video? Which settings make the avatar actually look good? What do I do if the lip sync is off? I cover all of it. The exact consent script, the lighting setup, the HeyGen settings, and my free 5-day AI Twin Challenge. Link is below. Day 1, your training video setup. Day 5, your first AI video is published and live. If you're a business owner who wants YouTube working for you without filming every week, that's where you start. I'll see you in there.